Presentation 5. Use the right kind of humor. Everyone wants to know how to be funny, but there are different kinds of humor. I'll show you 3 types that are both safe and well respected. Safe meaning it's not that bad if it fails, and well respected meaning that people will think more highly of you. First of the 3 is a segue. A segue is when you start your story with something that happened recently. If you can link your story to something that happened recent, it will feel new and you will seem clever. Try giving them a choice of stories. Do you want to hear about ABC or XYZ? Their choice is something recent, but it should make your story more interesting. So, where is the laughter in this humor? Humor is not always about laughter, but it should be about enjoyment. Second of 3 to try is the multiple finale. Your story normally ends up with a high point, but if you can follow it up quickly with another high point and another, for example, the dessert was so delicious, I had to buy another one. I had to buy another one to share with you, and you produce a box. I hope you don't mind it has a bite missing. Just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. Yes, I am. But it was tempting. Notice the safe landing spots. And if it works, they may feel that you were clever. Try creating one yourself to use. Third of 3 to try is when your audience is making a joke. This can also be fairly safe and can be endearing. You can simply be a gracious speaker by acknowledging the humor and enjoying it. Nah. They may take a little practice, but try all 3 until you can make each one work for you.